Today, I'm going to share with you how to install a smart lock on your front door. This is a really high-tech lock. There are many benefits to it. You can use your smartphone, Android or iPhone. You can download the app. This high-tech lock has many features built in. You need to go through the manual to find out yourself, see what you can like the best. Few things I can mention. If you're carrying something in your hand and your hands are busy, you can set up your lock to auto, and what's going to happen that it will picks up as a Bluetooth from 30 feet of range and it will open it for you. If you have a guest coming over or your friends coming over and it happens to be you're not home, you get stuck in the traffic, you can allow them one entry, you can give them a password, you can set up through the phone. So you're going to like it. This is really cool accessory to have it. And if you want to install a smart lock on your front door, please check it out. I'm going to provide the description. There are many smart locks out there. This lock is very expensive. Without wasting any time, let's get started. How did I install it? Installation has been completed, looking really nice. And if I close up, as you've seen it, the installation does not take that long. It's very elegant style. I'm going to remove the protective film. You can go through and you can set up according to your need. It has a touch-up pad, and as soon as you put the finger, the light blink, red light shows up because I haven't set it up. At this moment, I just set up the key. As soon as we touch the pad, the number appears on it, the combination lock. If I press any numbers here and then I press it, red light comes on. It shows that it's not a right combination. And supposedly you're doing it and someone watching you from behind, they cannot copy it, because if you see, if I press it, the numbers move around. If 104 is here, now 1 is here, 4 is here, 0 is here. And if we keep eye on that, 1 is here, 0 is here, also 0 is here, and 4 is here. So the number will change automatically every time the combination. So at this moment, if I press my combination and then I press this, and the green light appeared and it opens the lock for us and the door is open. Also, it has a manual key using the battery. Supposingly some reason the battery dies or something happen, then this one has a manual key. You put your key in and you open it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Please comment below and I will try my best to answer you. So I'm going to see you with another video. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.